Hi guys, good day, it's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class is we're going to express its ratio in simplest form. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now the next part of our video class is we're going to tell whether the given is a unit rate or not. If not, then convert it to unit rate. And I will just put the link on the description down below with regards to this example class. Feel free to see the video class. Alright, so before we start with number 1 is we need to define first what is ratio. Now ratio is the comparison of two quantities with the same units. Now for number 1, we are told to find the ratio of 24 boys to 30 girls. Once again class, we can write this one in fraction form. That would be 24 over 30. Or you can also write this one class in column form. That would be 24 is to 30. Now, to express this one class in simplest form, you need to find the GCF, the greatest common factor. To find that number class, you think it this way. You find the greatest number in which the number is common to 24 and 30. That number class can be divided by 24 and 30. Greatest number class that can be divided by 24 and 30. Of course, that's 6, right? We can divide 24 by 6. You can also divide 30 by 6. Because if you want to do it manually, class, it will really take time. Example, class 24. I'm sure, class, you remember this one during your elementary years. If the teacher will ask you what are the factors of 24, you will do it like this, right? 1 times 24. And then you will have 2 times 12. And then you will have 3 times 8. And then 4 times 6, right? If the teacher will ask how many factors for 24, of course, you just count these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factors for 24. And for 30, you will have 1 times 30. 2 times 15. What else, class? 3 times 10. That's correct. And then 5 times 6, right? So these are the factors of 24. These are the factors of 30. Now, the greatest number that is common to 24 and 30, of course, that's 6, right? So that's why our GCF is 6. So the GCF is equals to 6. But once again, class, it will take time if you do it this way. So the thing that you will do, class, you think it this way. You find a number, the greatest number, in which that number can be divided by 24 and 30. Greatest number, class, that is common to 24 and 30. Of course, that is 6, right? We can divide 24 by 6. We can divide 30 by 6. So, 24 divided by 6, that is 4. And then 30 divided by 6, that is 5. So, therefore, class, our answer, class, is 4 over 5. We can write this one in column form. That would be 4 is to 5. That's it, class. That's the answer for number 1, class. 4 over 5, or that is 4 is to 5. Easy, right, for number 1? Alright, so let's have example number 2. So once again, our answer for number 1, that is 4 over 5. Let me just write it in blue. 4 over 5. Or we can have 4 is to 5. Now, once again, class, in ratio, class, be careful with this one. If the teacher will ask for the ratio of girls to boys, once again, if the teacher will ask for the ratio of girls to boys, it should be 30 over 24. If it's girls to boys. Now, since we have boys, boys comes first before girls, boys to girls, that's why we have 24 over 30. If it's girls to boys, it should be 30 over 24. And our answer, class, will be divide by 6, divide by 6, that would be 5 over 4. 5 is to 4. If that would be girls to boys. So be careful, class, in ratio. If it says girls to boys, it should be 5 is to 4 or 5 over 4. Alright, so let's have example number 2. So we have 60 kilometers to 80 kilometers. So once again, write that in fraction form. That would be 60 over 80. So what's the GCF, class? The greatest common factor. That's correct. That would be 20, right? The greatest number that can be divided by 60 and 80, of course, that's 20. Divide by 20. Divide by 20. So this is equal to 60 divided by 20, that is 3. 80 divided by 20, that is 4. So that would be 3/4, or we can write that 1/3 is to 4. Easy as that, class. Easy, right, for number 2? This is 3/4 or 3:4. Alright, so let's try number 3, class. Number 3. So we have 36 minutes to 15 minutes. So once again, write this one. Write in fraction form, 36 over 15. So what would be the greatest common factor, class, of 36 and 15? Of course, that is 3, right? We can divide 36 by 3. We can also divide 15 by 3. So divide by 3. Divide by 3. So equals 36 divided by 3, that is 12. 15 divided by 3, that is 5. Easy as that, class. And this will be 12:5. That's it, class. That's the answer for number 3. Or 12:5. That's it, class. That's the answer for this number 3, class. Easy, right? For number 3. Now, for number 4, class, you try this one. And you put your answer in the comment section down below. Let me check, class, if you really understand on how to express each ratio in simplest form. That would be 10 dogs to 15 cats. Alright, and you put your answer, class, on the comment section down below. Once again, class, if you have some questions with ratio, do not hesitate to ask, class. You put your question on the comment section down below. Alright, so once again, our next part of our video, that would be unit rate. So feel free to see the video, class. Once again, I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.